Got a good adventure planned for today. Gonna drop down in this huge deep gorge, find some top secret waterfalls that hardly anybody's ever been to. But gotta get down there first. Gonna start a rock slide out here. Woo. There we go. No way to keep the feet dry this time. And the water's really cold. Nice. This is a cool find out here. It's a 1800s mining cart. Haven't found the mines yet, but this is pretty awesome. You could see the wheel and there's even a piece of track. Alrighty, just about to the side canyon where the larger waterfalls are at. Hopefully it'll be flowing. Find out shortly. This canyon's still pretty dry. Just a little trickle. Maybe there'll be more the farther I hike up. Hopefully. Hike back another 30 feet and we're already starting to pick up more water. Sweetness. All right, just about to the first 50-foot waterfall. I can hear it, so that's always a good sign. Won't be flowing an extreme amount though still. Alrighty, made it to the first waterfall. Pretty awesome. Woo! Yeah. Alrighty, so now the question is, how do I get up this waterfall? I don't know yet, but I'm gonna try to figure it out. Alrighty, I'm about 100 yards from the falls, but there's a chute right here, and I'm thinking, if I climb up this chute, I might be able to find a way around. It's looking pretty slippery and steep though, so. Alrighty, so I'm about 35 feet. I need to climb up more, but probably can't see the waterfall back there, but somewhere over there. Well, can't really go any higher. Too big of a cliff, but just see if I can find another way. Hanging out on this little ledge, one-handed. Alrighty, since that didn't work, I'm out more by the mouth of the canyon now, and it's a little less steep of a slope here. I mean, it's still steep, but no cliffs at least. So I'm gonna try this, get up to the top there and try to get back down somehow. Oh, this is steep. About a quarter of the way up. Oh yeah, almost up. A few hundred feet left, but it's steep. Whew. Already made it up. You see the main canyon behind me. And you see the canyon I was in down there. And the big waterfall is gonna be up over there. Cool, I actually think I can get down to this. Lots of plants, but doesn't look too steep. Made it up the waterfall. That was a tough climb up. Whew. Alrighty, heading up canyons to get to the big 100-footer. This is by far one of the coolest weeping walls I've seen out in the Santa Ana Mountains. These are getting tougher and tougher to climb up. Almost there. Woo! Made it. It's a big waterfall. Good 100 feet tall. Alrighty, got back up out of the canyon. It's cool, I didn't notice this area before. It's definitely an old mining area. This dirt's not naturally piled here. And also a few old stakes that I pulled up out of the ground. Pretty cool. Alrighty, made it back down into the main canyon. Oh man, that was an epic adventure. More to come this spring for sure.